everyone, I'm Shivali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. For today's video, I'm going to be checking out a new phone. But forget your iPhones, your Google Pixels, your Samsung Galaxies. This phone is made by a brand called Doro and is actually designed for people who are over the age of 65. Now, I'm not sure if you can tell, but I personally am not over the age of 65, but I think it's a really interesting idea, so I wanted to check it out. So today I'm going to be doing a quick whistle-stop tour of some of the key features, my thoughts on them, and I really hope you enjoy it. So this is the smartphone here. It is called the Doro 7030. As you can see straight away, it is a flip phone, pretty vintage, kind of taking me back to my younger days. I think a lot of us are just so used to kind of touchscreen phones now. We assume that everyone can use them, but for a lot of older people who didn't grow up with the technology, they're a lot trickier to navigate than a flip phone, which is a lot more intuitive. So on the front of the phone, you can see it's got a really simple design with this small panel at the top here, which simply has notification lights for messages and battery, and a back-facing camera and flash. So if I turn it to the side here, this way, you'll see it does have a headphone jack, which is something that has been scrapped from most modern smartphones now, and a charging point on the side. And then if I flip it around to the back, you'll see they have this button here. Now this is actually one of the most impressive features, I think. So this is an assistance button. So you can set up, when you're setting the phone up, to have several key contacts so that if anything does happen to you, you can contact them with a tap of this button here. So once you've pressed that button, so for example, should you have a fall or something and you can't quite manage to open it up, contact someone and say you need help, you simply tap this button here and an alert will be sent to those contacts that you've already set up. If they don't reply, then the phone will automatically send an alert to the emergency services, who will then get in contact with you to check you're okay. So I think that's a really, really clever feature. If something did happen, often then you don't want to be having to navigate all the way through your phone, so it's nice just to have the option of a one-click button. So that's the outside of the phone. If I flip it open now, you'll see straight away that has this bottom part here with huge keys. So a lot of people who are over 65, their eyesight might not be quite as good as it once was, so it is obviously so good that these buttons are so big and clear. So you have your number pad at the bottom here, a four-way kind of keypad there, and then your standard back menu, your call buttons, and a camera shortcut as well. So on the main screen here, so when you flip it open, you'll see this main screen opens straight away. There are three shortcuts at the top there. So you've got a call, so your phone symbol there, a view messages button there, and a send message button there. So again, similar to that back button there's no faffing around searching through the menu to find what you need. It's really handy just to have them right on the home screen, so with a tap of the button you can be straight in making a call. Below that you'll see there is this menu here, and if I go into that, you can see it's already set up with WhatsApp and Facebook. So they're really popular apps. It's really nice that they're pre-installed, so you don't have to faff around with downloading them. The phone might look simple, but it does have 4G and wireless capabilities. So those two apps are pre-installed, and then you also have a browser. Aside from that, if I scroll through, you'll see you've got all your standard kind of camera, alarm. There's a torch, which is handy. So if I flip that around, you'll see a small torch there. And as I mentioned, it's obviously got these nice big buttons for people who haven't got great eyesight. And it also has some capabilities for people who don't have great hearing. So if I go into the sound section here and go into ring volume, I'll turn that up and down. I'm not sure you can hear, but it goes pretty loud. So you could find that really easily, hear it ringing. You can also change the alarm volume, so you can make sure you're not going to sleep through any alarms, even if you don't have the greatest of hearing. So that's a quick whistle-stop tour of the phone itself. It does come with a few accessories, so it comes with just a standard charger here, as well as a little charging port kind of thing. So you could literally slot that in, have that beside your bed, and it charges really easily rather than having to kind of try and fit the charger into the phone. It also comes with a little headphone. It's only a one-ear one, but yeah, really nice that it comes with that as well. In terms of price, the phone only costs $69.99, which I think is a really good price given the fact that it has got 4G and wireless capabilities. Especially if you compare it to some of the other kind of flip phones on the market there. Nokia has launched a few recently which are more expensive than that. So it's a really good price. And I like how simple it is to use. You could give that to someone, give them an hour lesson with it, and you could leave feeling confident that they know how to use it. So that's all I've got to say about the phone there. This is a bit of a different video for me, but I hope you have enjoyed it. If you haven't already, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel. I do different science and technology videos every week. So if you enjoy that kind of thing, then yeah, maybe subscribe and you can watch some more of them. But yeah, thanks so much again for watching. Bye!